Wyvern Gale. Wyvern Gale. 580 gear ball. Versus Hell's Chain. 560 high taper. Let the battle begin. This Beyblade battle is basically Kadovar versus Bird. Yeah, Kazami Bird. Or Bird Kazami, either one you want to call him. And this Beyblade battle did happen in the anime and manga, so let's start the battle. By the way, if you want to support this channel, feel free to like, comment, share, and subscribe. All things help a lot. And if you want to support me in a financial way, then you can always go to the link in the description. There's a link to a site called Model Toys, and whenever you buy through that link, you'll actually support me in the process. I also have discount codes to help you save money. They are the Legendary R, and it works for Bays and Bricks and Model Toys. On Model Toys it saves you 5% off, and on Bays and Bricks it saves you 7% off. Thank you for your support. I appreciate it. And now, let's get into the battle. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Okay, Hell's Chain wins that round with an over finish. Well, extreme finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Okay. Whoa! Lots of ricochet going on. Let's see. Hell's Chain seems like it's about to tip over, and it does. Wyvern Gale wins that round with a spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Wow! The burst finish. Wyvern Gale wins that round with a burst finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Okay. Hell's Chain is doing its best. And burst finish. Hell's Chain wins that round with a burst finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Okay. 1. I guess that was a few extreme dashes. I'm surprised that Wyvern Gale is still holding on after all those hits. And Hell's Chain is slowing down. It's coming down to a wire. And Hell's Chain wins that round with a spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Okay, Hell's Chain wins that round with an over finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Whoa! Okay, that was an explosive burst finish. Hell's Chain wins that round with a burst finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Okay, Wyvern Gale is trying to hold on. All those attacks are just really hard on Wyvern Gale, from what I could tell. Hell's Chain is slowing down. And Hell's Chain wins with a spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Whoa, completely missed it. Wow, self-extreme. Wyvern Gale wins that round with an extreme finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Oh, come on! I mean, Bird Guy's payback. Hell's Chain wins that round with an extreme finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Okay, that was a big hit. Some big hits. And Hell's Chain wins that round with a spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Okay, I was surprised to see that. I was really surprised. Okay. Your winner is Hell's Chain with the overfinish. Yeah, that was really close, but Hell's Chain barely won. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Whoa! Okay, burst finish. Hell's Chain wins that round with a burst finish. And yeah, Wyvern Gale still spinning, but it bursted. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Whoa! I'm not sure if that made Wyvern Gale burst or not, but that was a big hit. If it did, I wouldn't even be surprised. Wyvern Gale is holding on. Hell's Chain slowing down. And Wyvern Gale wins that round with a spin finish and no burst. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Whoa! Okay, Hell's Chain's alright. And Wyvern Gale wins that round with a spin finish. Well, over finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! And Hell's Chain wins that round with an over finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Hell's Chain. Oh! Huge hits! Hell's Chain spat up a lot. Wyvern Gale is in the center. And Wyvern Gale wins that round with a spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Whoa! Okay. I have no idea what happened. I want to say the Hell's Chain bursted Wyvern Gale, but I have no idea. And it actually bounced off of my arm and everything, so yeah. I guess if the score did change, I'll put it on the screen, but if it didn't, then I just won't. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Whoa! Okay, that was an explosive burst finish. Hell's Chain was that round with a burst finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Okay. Hell's Chain wins that round with another over finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Okay. Wow! A counterattack. And Wyvern Gale wins that round with an extreme finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Wait, hold on. What? I don't even know what happened. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Okay. You know what? Everything that happened everything that happened in this battling session, I'll take it. Hell's Chain wins that round with an over finish. Yeah, I'll just take it. Okay, so yeah, that battle was really crazy, especially with all those burst finishes, and you really got a chance to see Hell's Chain's gimmick, which is that it's able to take on Beyblades at any height. So yeah, I guess this really was a good upgrade for Bird because he's able to beat Kadovar, or at least be able to beat him a nice amount in this battle when it comes to this. So, now I'll announce the winner now. Your winner is Hell's Chain 560 High Taper. So, like if you want, share if you want, and subscribe to become a legend in the making. Till next time, bye, and we are proven to be legendary. Stay legendary.